A very good morning to all of you. So, this is Poonam Mahendru, your English teacher. Yesterday, we have discussed about the Mukesh dream. That is the second part of the Law Spring. I want to drive a car. Mukesh, he was a child laborer and he want to be a motor mechanic. Then the Mukesh family was the only family which was having their own house. Mukesh father, he was unable to give education to his own sons. What he has given was the art of bangle making. So this was just a glimpse. Now we'll continue with the chapter. We'll proceed with the chapter. Now Mukesh's grandmother, what were her viewpoint as far as the life is concerned? Like what were the Mukesh grandmother view of life? Mukesh grandmother, she was though a religious lady, but she was a believer that it is in our culture that the bahu of the family has to veil her face, right? The bahu of the family has to veil her face in front of elders, and she believes that it is all the state of affairs is the result of karma or destiny. That is, what does it indicate is कि जो भी आज हम हैं, right? He said कि like मुकेश के जो father हैं, he was a tailor first and then he started his life as a bangle maker, right? लेकिन फिर भी वो जब bangle making में भी इन्वॉल्व हुए, उसके बावजूद भी वो अपने घर को ज़्यादा रेनोवेट नहीं करा पाए, अपने सन्स को स्कूल्स नहीं भेज पाए, राइट? एंड like this we have discussed 2-3 times कि क्या वो मैनेज कर पाए. It was to teach them what he knows about the art of bangle making. अब मुकेश की grandmother, she used to tell that her husband grew blind with the dust from polishing the glass bangles. That is Mukesh's grandfather. He went blind with the dust from polishing the glass bangles. And she believes that ये तो मतलब it is a ancestors, it is the thing which has been going from generations to generations, and it cannot be changed. It is the thing which has been given by the God to us, and it is there in our destiny. We are born in the caste of bangle makers, and we have seen nothing in our life, but we have seen bangles and only bangles. Now all the children, the boys and girls, they used to sit with their fathers and mothers. They used to weld the pieces of colored glass into circles of bangles. Now the author wonders that the importance of the bangles for Indian women. The sensitivity of the bangles for the Indian women, and it was there ki like she will become a bride, like the old women sitting beside her. This here the thing is being said about Savita, the girl in a pink dress. She was sitting beside an elderly woman, and she was thinking this way that one day when she will become a bride. So it was there that the voice was drained of joy. The old lady tells that she has not enjoyed even one full meal in her entire lifetime. अब ये यहाँ बात हो रही है कि इतनी ज़्यादा गरीबी थी that when the author visited that house, तो वहाँ पर जो lady थी, that old lady, she said that like I have not enjoyed even one full meal in my lifetime, in my entire lifetime. It was there ki condition of Firozabad. It was not like no progress was there. The time stands still in Firozabad. Why it has been said that time stands still in Firozabad? Because there was no progress, no development. It was, the people, they were involved in the glass making since so many years and generations they were being involved. But still, the time was still because they were unable to remove poverty, they were unable to remove illiteracy, they were unable to remove that dissatisfaction out there, the people who are staying there in Firozabad. And it was there that all the people, all the laborers, they were the victims of exploitation in the hands of the middlemen. Now the author finds two distinct worlds in Firozabad, right? दो उसने अलग अलग वर्ल्ड देखे फिरोजाबाद में. वन इज बीन एक्सप्लॉइटेड फैमिली which is being caught in the vicious circle of poverty, and the other is the stigma of the caste in which they were born. मतलब everybody, generations like the Mukesh grandmother, she told कि नहीं आपके father भी bangle making industry में हैं, so it is you also have to involve in this. तो जो वो एक मुकेश का dream था, वो like it was, nobody was dare to dream. It was that desire of dreaming was being killed in the childhood itself. The other thing is the vicious circle of those who are going to exploit. एक तो ये ना वो ड्रीम कर सकते थे, डर जाते थे क्योंकि उनके फैमिली मेम्बर्स ही कहते थे कि दैट इट इज़ like we have to, this is since generations everybody has been involved into this work, so you have to involve. अगर कोई सोचता भी था कि हम इससे अलग करें, सो इट वॉज देयर द विशियस सर्कल ऑफ दोज हु एक्सप्लॉइट देम. और वो कौन कौन एक्सप्लॉइट करते थे? साहूकार्स, मिडलमैन, पॉलिटिशियंस, पुलिसमैन एंड द ब्यूरोक्रेट्स. The author, she was happy as Mukesh was an exception and she found a ray of hope. She was filled with joy when she found that Mukesh think differently. The boy is filled with hope. His dream of becoming a motor mechanic is still alive in his eyes. He is willing to dare. And he asked Mukesh if he also dreams of flying a plane. Mukesh replies in a negative concept. He said that he is content to the dreams of car as few planes fly over Firozabad. Like why he said this? It was an irony that few planes flied over Firozabad, and it is that if I'm going to think about flying a plane, so it would be dreaming of airplanes would be overreaching himself. So he said that I aspire myself, he aspires to be a motor mechanic only, and he said that I want to learn how to drive a car. Now this is all about the second story of the chapter, I want to drive a car. Let's have a look through the mind map, a sequence, a quick review. That is Mukesh. He was a child laborer in the glass making factory in Firozabad, and the working conditions in the glass furnaces were not so good, but the living conditions in Firozabad were also miserable. Author, she visits the Mukesh house, and Mukesh, he found himself fortunate that at least only in the place Firozabad, his family was the one, like his father has constructed a house for him. And Mukesh grandmother views of life is, she used to think that it is whatever is there in our karma, we have to face that, and in our karma it is that every member of the family has to involve himself or herself in bangle making. Then is the time stands still in Firozabad because it was, the pressure, it was the pressure from the politicians, the policemen, all the lawmakers, that the exploitation by the middlemen was there. And the author suggests that you organize yourself in a cooperative society, and this is the way. So it was there कि इतना ज़्यादा exploitation था कि nobody used to dare. And the author, she found a ray of hope. Through Mukesh, that he is an exception and he aspires to be a motor mechanic, and he is different. A ray of hope is being there, and the author filled with joy that when she finds that Mukesh thinks differently. Thank you so much. Your assignments are being uploaded. I hope all of you are doing the assignments timely.